Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open the Outlook app and tap Add Account. This moves you past idle setup and into configuration. Once done, enter your email and password and allow the app to detect server settings automatically. This saves manual entries. If your account uses 2FA, choose SMS or Authenticator because security prompts must complete now. Make sure notifications and calendar permissions are allowed so mail, events, and contacts sync smoothly with the phone. Once the account is added, go into Settings to configure sync and folder behavior. This is where you balance battery and completeness. Choose a sync range, 3 days for light data use, all mail when you need full history, because that affects downloads and storage. Then set focused inbox, swipe actions, and a quick signature so triage is fast. Make sure calendar and contacts sync are enabled to integrate meetings and attendees, and select Outlook as your default mail app when prompted. Finish by testing. Compose and send a test message to yourself to confirm send and receive, then check folders and calendar entries for proper sync. If something fails, first toggle the account sync, re-enter your password, and reboot the app. These quick steps fix most interruptions. If problems persist, update the Outlook app, confirm Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and review any corporate or exchange policies that may block access. One key tip: remove and re-add the account only after backing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.